Today we will learn this keyword for a class, function, method, for everything. Okay, this keyword. So let's start. PHP syntax, close, sorry, the dollar this keyword. Okay, today we will learn the dollar keyword. Okay, first of all we need create a class. So create class, its name will be Faisal and curly brackets. Okay, today I will use my name and information for this tutorial, so I'm sorry. Here I will declare my name, email, public, dollar, phone. Then I will create a method that's name will be information, public function information. Okay, now the uses for this keyword, return. Okay, what will be written, right? You have some question. Okay, return I am dot uses this keyword name. Okay, just name. I'm sorry, and my email is dollar this email. My phone number is phone and close. Now we will call function. Just make object, new Faisal. Okay, and get object information. Okay, you will get some error because we don't pass any value, right? So just use this, nothing, right? If you set some values, then we will get message object name equal to Faisal Ahmed upon email equal to gmail.com and phone equal to 880130778699. Okay, now you will get the result. Oh, what's happened? Oh, the problem is echo, right? If you don't echo this object, so how we will get the result, right? Okay, I hope you understand what is this keyword in OOP. Thank you for watching my videos. If you like these videos, please subscribe, like and comment. Thank you so much for watching.